In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your Shopify token and store ID. First, sign into your Shopify admin so you're looking at your store's dashboard. From here, follow the highlighted navigation cues you see on screen, then head to the home view to make sure you're starting from the main admin page. This keeps everything consistent as you move through the menus. Next, open Settings at the bottom left of the admin. On the Settings page, select your store's details section by clicking the store name. This page is a good place to confirm you're in the correct store. While you're here, note your store's unique .myshopify.com domain. Many tools refer to this as the store ID, and it's what most integrations use to identify your shop. If you see a numeric store identifier in developer views later, that's simply another representation of the same store. Now go back to Settings and choose Apps. In the Apps area, click Develop Apps. This opens Shopify's developer tooling for your store. Continue by choosing Build Apps in the developer dashboard. This takes you to the place where you'll create and manage the custom app that will provide your access token. Click Create App. Give your app a clear, descriptive name so you'll recognize it later, then select Create to proceed. After the app is created, open it from the list by clicking its name. Inside the app configuration, go to the URLs section. This is where you'll set callback and redirect locations if your integration needs them. Next, visit the Webhooks API version area. Picking a stable version helps keep your webhooks consistent with your code or third-party tool. Move to Access. Here's where you define exactly what the token can read or write. Open optional scopes and choose only the permissions your integration requires, such as reading products or orders. Keeping scopes minimal improves security and reduces risk. If your integration expects the older installation pattern, toggle Use Legacy Install Flow. Some tools still rely on this flow, so this option helps ensure compatibility. When you see the highlighted control to confirm your changes, click it. Then return to the Versions List page so your configuration is neatly saved and organized for installation. At this point, your custom app is set up. The next time you install it to your store from this dashboard, Shopify will generate an admin API access token for you under the app's credentials. Copy that token once and store it securely in a secret manager or environment variable. Never share it publicly or commit it to source control. And remember, your store ID for most integrations is your .myshopify.com domain or the numeric store ID shown in developer views. Both point to the same shop. That's it. You've prepared everything you need to retrieve your Shopify token and identify your store ID safely.